Imagine exploring Australia's most breathtaking locations in first-class comfort. I'm Dean Bleasner, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. With over 500 American trucks under our belt, this one definitely tastes the best. We are Australia's most awarded American truck workshop for a reason. This one here, it's literally breathtaking. Let's take a walk around this Ram and show you what it's all about. This Ram 3500 Super Tourer, complete with inbuilt bar, gives you the best of both worlds. Unstoppable off-road power and a luxury experience that'll turn heads in the outback. Let's go check this one out. Starting at the front end, as we can see, we've got the color-coded off-road creative front bar. It's got the satin black hoop in there. This one comes standard with the 30-inch LED spotlight in the bar, the two steady C4 cube LED lights. We've gone for a nice, neat finish on this one, so no spotlight tabs at all. I'm pretty sure that this customer is going to be at the mini bar by the time night comes, so no extra requirements for the LED lights here. We've got a few up on top just in case he does get caught out. But the front end of this one looks amazing. We've gone for the partial chrome delete. We've got the color-coded 6 bonnet molds, top and bottom of the grille. Then we've got the satin black inside the grille and the Ram white in there on the badge as well. So color coding between that white Ram as well as the satin black mixes throughout the entire vehicle. We swing around to the side here, we'll get into the suspension, wheels, tires, and the rest of the vehicle. Can a truck really ride like a luxury vehicle? Ah, what's this? With this one, we've gone for the full Carli pin top 2.5-inch leveling kit. Yes, this one will ride just like a luxury vehicle. This one has got all of the optional upgrades. That's your torsion sway bar under the front, both high mount and low mount steering stabilizer under there. We've also got the radius arms with the limit straps. What that's going to do is allow the suspension to full cycle, but you're not going to overextend those shock absorbers, which is going to flog out the top of the shocks. And going for all of the Carli optional upgrades is definitely going to keep this one in the best condition. We've also chopped off the factory shock mounts and we've installed the Dominator shock mounts under here. As we know with these Rams, we have seen a few shock mounts break. So cutting those ones off, going for the Dominator ones is going to ensure this vehicle stays on the road, and the mechanical side of things is going to be up to scratch. No maintenance needed at all. This is a set and forget package, and it's really dialed in to keep you on the road, keep the family nice and safe, and everyone on board is going to enjoy the experience. Method wheel and tyre combo, we've got the Method 305 NV. These are 18x9 POS 18. The standard finish from Method. These are the most popular wheel for a reason. They look amazing. It's definitely got that race pedigree to it. And we've wrapped them in the Yokohama Go16. These being the 35, 12.5, 18. Massive 128Q, which is 1800 kilo per tyre. It's going to ensure that this wheel and tyre combination will tackle all of the roads around Australia. Having the tyre pressure monitoring systems are going to allow to get your tyres set right. You're not going to overheat them on the bitumen. You're going to be able to air down and hit the right balance there between those sandy roads, the corrugations, the bitumen. As we know, tyre pressure and choice is definitely one of the most important decisions for your ride. With the Big Dog Builds accessory rack, your max tracks, your UHF, anything that you want to store on the roof rack is going to be out of sight, out of mind, nice and secure. And with the added benefit of the LED spotlight on the front, that's the laser lamp triple R28, and we've got the steady work lights on the sides as well. This vehicle's set up, it's ready to light up the campsite, choose the campsite. If you do get stuck on the road, this customer's got the laser lamps on the front here, which is going to light it up, turn night into day. This setup here, it's one of the best on the market. I may be biased. As we walk up the side here, we can't forget we've got the Bushwhacker color-coded flares. We've got the Rock Blocks mud flaps on there as well, which is going to ensure no stones are flicking up the side. And with the chrome delete on this one, we've got the black badge kit, the Cat 6 indicators, the mirrors are color-coded. This thing looks amazing. With a set of electric side steps, why climb in if you can board like a VIP? These things here make getting in and out super easy. It's also got the LED courtesy lights underneath there as well. So for those nighttime situations, you're not going to get caught out, trip over those little puddles on the way to the vehicle. These things here are definitely worth the money. Oh, you don't want to forget that one on there. Ooh, almost forgot. The GME UHF up on top, the 680mm antenna. That one's going to be great for around mountains, vehicles, anything like that in convoy. The GME XRS 370 combo is one of the most popular we're selling here. On the GME folding bracket on the Big Dog Builds accessory rack means that you can fold that one down, pop that one up and swap out the 680mm antenna for the 1.2 meter from GME as well. And that's going to cover you in no matter what situation you're in. With world-class comms, you're never going to be out of touch, whether it's someone kilometre in front or just the next vehicle across. The GME will keep you nice and safe on the road. This off-road creative setup's definitely going to be the coolest one. This has got 10 points in my eyes. It is definitely the A1 class setup. Simply get out the ice cubes. I hope the owners give me permission to do this one. He's a good bloke. Pop some ice in there. This one here, automatic tap to some bottles that are on the side here. I've chosen to go with the Kraken, with the ginger ale, ginger beer. Honestly, can you beat ice cubes, cold drink, a few different choices on tap, and you've even got LED lights to suit. I can see this vehicle becoming one of the most popular vehicles no matter where this vehicle pulls up. And with this sort of setup, I think Rick's gonna have plenty of friends by the end of his trip. He might even have some friends in the morning as well. I can see the coffee machine there ready to rumble. I haven't got time for that one yet. I'm gonna pick this drink up. Swinging around to the back here, as you can see, all of the important stuff, whether that's Anderson plugs, solar input, trailer cameras. We've also got the wash down as well. Of course, these off-road creative canopies have got some pretty cool water storage. True 35-inch spare tire up the back there. Underneath in the factory spare wheel location, we've got a massive air tank. And to power those air tanks, you can see the little air outlet here, ARB air outlet. It's gonna make inflating those tires a breeze. We'll swing around, show you inside this toolbox, because this compressor setup is gonna allow your time on the side of the road airing up. I don't even think you'd have time for a drink, to be honest. With the off-road creative canopies on the Rams, pretty cool looking exhaust tips, that's important. Definitely a safety feature. But as we drop that one down there, massive 4 Viair compressors. This one here is going to allow about a 20 PSI tire in a 35/18 up to the 55-ish sort of range. It's only going to take a couple minutes for the rear axle and another couple minutes for the front. If you go with something like a Morphlate 4 tire conversion kit, literally set all 4 tires, walk away. If you want to run different pressures front and rear, simply disconnect the front 2, walk away, and these Viair compressors, massive air tank underneath, is going to ensure you're back on the road in no time to get to that next destination. Don't drink on the road. Being NB2, no alcohol while driving in most states of Australia. Keep it reasonable, keep it sensible. Don't drink and drive, guys. This bar setup is definitely one for the caravan park or those nice remote situations around Australia. I don't know whether I'd want to be out bush, on the beach. This thing will take you everywhere. As we say with a lot of canopy setups, my suggestion is to allow a lot of room for gear. If you go and fill it out with everything, it all adds weight to the canopy. So with the bar on the other side, that's all the important stuff ticked off. Over this side, plenty of room for storage, 2 massive drawers there, massive area up the top. As with any off-road creative canopy setup, you've got your battery setup up the front here, little LED inspection light, open up the window, see anything that needs to happen. You got your 240 breakers there for your 240 volt plugs. And this setup here, little bungee strap at the side, few little lockable locations. I see these canopies getting better and better. I definitely see where the customers ask for something in particular. Off-road creative is going to be one of the most custom in the industry to make something happen, just like this one. If you like this video, guys, click on the description below, get in touch today. If you like this one, if you like this drink, check this video out here. If you want to see these things boogieing up the beach, this one here is pretty cool as well. It's you that's shaky, not me.